Welcome to the Enocean Alliance booth, made up of 400 companies and over 1,500 products. As you see here on the wall, I'll give you a brief overview of different products you'll see, starting with switches. These are all kinetic energy. The press of a button generates enough power to send a signal to a controller in your light or HVAC system, turn it on or off or dim. As we move down the product line, you'll see a door and window sensor. This actually goes to your HVAC system, so when your door or window breaks contact, it'll turn off your window system. Down in our light sensors and occupant sensors, as somebody walks into a room, it's occupied, you could send a signal to your thermostat to cool the temperature down. As they leave, you could send it in, so it closes it, warms the room up, and it'll go on to the next room. Back here this way are temperature sensors. These are all off a solar cell. As you can see, each product has their own solar cells, no wires or batteries again. And this actually is a great aspect because you can actually place these where the customer sits, their end table, in their office, so you don't need it 30 feet down a hallway. This has been a great product for us. You'll see some of our new ones from our Frizo, Pressac, Thermicon, our CO2 detectors, air test. These are some of our new products this year we're launching. These are some of them part of the new Alliance members who've gathered. Onto the hydronic valve actuators. This is run off a Peltier system, so it takes the ambient air temperature and the water temperature coming in, and this will take the temperature difference, and that generates enough power to send a signal back to one of your thermostat sensors to where you can actually adjust the temperature via an old radiator, things like that. Down here, if you want to get into more of the controllers, the gateway aspects, this is where you can control the products from your cell phone. So as you can see, we have numerous gateways up here. Contemporary Controls is one of their newest ones. This actually has a back net, as you can see here. These ones here, this will give you the aspect you control your lights, your HVAC system, anything you want that has a local controller in it. This will give you access to the cell phone. So it's a great aspect if you want to go smart homes, building automation, things like that. As we go over here, this is a line voltage. This will just tell you if you have a current running through the line, on or off. So it's great for restaurants, things like that want to measure current. Some new things happening in the Enocean Alliance. IBM is a brand new promoter member, so this is great. As you can see it on the wall down there. With IBM, they want to do cognitive buildings. So they want to take the smart home to another level because they actually want to be able to gather data from all these sensors and controls you see up here. So they'll gather that data, and they can actually run reports and let you know how often a room's occupied, different things like that. So you can actually buy the data or gather the data from IBM. So that's just some of the latest news that we have from Enocean Alliance booth here at AHR. So hope I'll see you here, and thank you.